Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sangani YouTube. Today I would like to share some of the greatest sayings by the greatest people who lived on this world and given the great path for the every mankind. Today I just feel so honored to just share their words which really enlightens entire humankind, and there's a lot meaning with their whole life experiences. They have just framed these phrases which is not just an overnight or just for them and so easy to just form these phrases. So I'll start with Mr. Nelson Mandela's the great saying: the greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. So it is probably we all humans might have come across this kind of situation where we normally fall down and we just feels that what happened to me, whether I'm going to succeed, whether I'm going to go ahead with all these challenges which we have in front of us. Are we going to succeed in our life? Friends, the greatest example by Mr. Nelson Mandela itself says, you keep trying and get succeed. So that is the first one. Second, from Mr. Walt Disney: the way to get started is to quit talking, begin doing. It's one of the greatest saying by Mr. Walt Disney. Just you want to do something, you just stop thinking about it, just stop reading and stop listening to the people who opposes you. If you want to do something, you just start doing it. Whether you maybe start at the scratch, maybe beginning of the stage where you feel that you're never going to achieve that, but don't give up, my friends. You please try hard. Definitely success will follow you. But just quit the words and quit the people listening to the bad or the thing which is opposed or maybe stops you. Just start the beginning of your work. You definitely get your success. Second, Mr. Walt Disney. And third, Steve Jobs: your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. So this is the greatest Mr. Steve Jobs who's told about that. You don't measure yourself by the other scale. The yardstick should be defined by yourself. You can't be judged by others' results. So yes, you have to try hard and you have to get your success yourself alone, but don't compare that with others. Every human being has got some speciality in them and we can't compare one to other. Even in success stories also, we can't say somebody might be good in some art, somebody in science, somebody in business. So everybody is a genius and everybody is the great mindset people who want to success in their life. Just follow the Steve Jobs, the greatest saying which is there on Google. So friends, don't measure yourself by others. You be yourself, make your plans, keep trying and keep moving. I'll go to the next, the sayings by Mr. Eleanor Roosevelt: if the life were predictable, it would be cease to be life and without a flavor. So you should not know what is your future going to be, and you should not feel that this is what going to happen and you're going to be land there. Life is not like that, my friends. Life is like you unknown, but be positive and be strong, and you have your own plans and your own aims and goals just behind it, because knowing something before achieving it doesn't really give that flavor of success. This is saying by Mr. Eleanor Roosevelt. And I'll come to Oprah Winfrey saying, if you look at what you have in life, you will always have more. If you look at what you don't have in life, you will never have enough. What a great saying. So every humans definitely, when we just keep our shoes into the person who doesn't have anything as compared to us, what we are today, and the lifestyle or food or education or parents or relatives, we should be very happy by which we have. God has given us, blessed us. We should be happy with whatever we have. There are so millions of people across the world who definitely worse life than what we are enjoying now. So don't compare yourself with the higher the people who are above you. You always compare yourself with people who are not even having what exactly we have today. So my friends, that God has given give to us, this life is very precious. Don't compare human comfort or luxury or happiness lies in the money or comforts. No, it is all soul and your peace inside. If you have that enough, you are the wealthiest person in this world. I'll move on to the next saying by Mr. James Cameron. If you set your goals ridiculously high and it's failure, you will fail above everyone else's success. You should not aim the goal which is beyond your achievable. You can't aim, or you can't have the aim which is really cannot be achievable. I'm not saying by this that you should not have the higher aims. It should be a meaningful aim which you can achievable. You can't be like something which is not practical. So practically which is achievable and you are mastering that, and you can do that. If you have that gut feeling inside, you please go it. But something influenced by the neighbors or friends or relatives, you should not prepare your aim to achieve, which is going to be the failure story for the people who are normally goes in that path. The last one, life is what happens when you are busy making other plans. John Lennon. John Lennon said a great word. Life is not making something, other plans. Life is you have to live. It is not that tomorrow I want to become this, tomorrow I want to earn car, building, and so much of wealth and I enjoy. No, brother, life won't stay for you. Life won't go as per your plans. So every day is yours, each individual present day is yours. You please enjoy it, and as much as possible help the people and others and live your life. Don't compare yourself with others who are maybe the far reachable, and don't ever think that the money or wealth is everything. No way. Even what is the 5 7 Pro, the sayings I just now read and expressed my views on that. That's the human life lies in self happiness and self satisfaction. Money can't buy everything, but your self satisfaction, your life, your peace in your heart and your soul will always give you happiness. Keep going, keep smiling, and inspire the people, and be happy with whatever the God has given you. And that is what the real wealth. And love your parents, love your kids, wife, your relatives and friends. Be happy, spread smile among them, across among the world will always make you also happy, my friend. This is what a small message which I always willing to share with all the friends who are in a depression or under failure, who are always thinks that nothing is possible, or really makes their goals beyond the imagination and cannot achieve that. So my friends, there are so many great people spend their entire life to form these kind of phrases and proverbs. Just go through them. It is not just a words or paragraphs or sentences. It is the life of the people who lived and experienced, and they shared the golden words for the humankind. Thank you. This is Sangani signing off.